is recording.
I see.
The sound is recording. That's good. Okay, so I'm going to do the screen recording. So today we are going to introduce my friend here, Richie.
What's up?
Yes, and then he has some questions for me how to use the Samsung device. So he's going to ask me some questions, and maybe some of them you guys might encounter with, and then we're going to try to fix it as much as possible today. All right, so Richie, what is your question? Okay, right there. So what's your question?
So I'm just starting to learn more and more about my phone finally.
Okay.
Get more into it, It's
Okay.
just it's not just a device where you watch videos or you
Yes.
make calls and text messages. There's just so much more to these devices nowadays, right? So I'm trying to learn more and more about them. So we're starting with the very, very basics. From step one is to just how to get a little bit more organized.
Okay.
Within my home screen.
Okay.
Just all my apps here. I try to clear some that I don't use here and there, but I'm sure there's a way to have it even more organized, right?
Okay.
And then another big issue that most people face, I think, is the whole storage situation,
problem.
right? Yeah.
Okay.
I think I'm paying for something already. Google One or
the Google Drive, the Google Photos,
and Apple Photos.
Yeah.
I'm paying.
Actually, you don't even need that, because usually those ones is very expensive, and they usually give you 100 gig. But because nowadays phones is getting more and more more pictures and stuff like that, you need more than 100 gig. So you're going to be paying more and more and more.
Exactly.
That's why I don't suggest people to do that. I usually do not pay for anything.
Yes.
I use something actually for free.
Yes.
And today I'm going to teach you how to do that actually.
All right.
So first of all, so you said that your homepage is being messy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how your homepage is. So can we show the audience?
Sure.
Okay, so his homepage is like this, like a little bit unorganized, right? You can see that, right? And now we try to organize this much more, right? So the first thing you can do is, so for the privacy, I'm going to record with my phone, not his phone. Did you know that you can actually do this? I'm going to pull a screen recording. Okay, so let's just say you go to the home page. Okay, and now we want to select whatever you want. So we're going to select, actually, you know what? Let's just unlock this first, because I teach unlock this. So we're going to select one item first.
Any app?
Any app. Okay, select and hold it, and then let go. Okay, do it again, and let go. And you see the word select.
Yeah.
Okay, so press that. Okay, and now tap everything. Whatever you see on the home screen, tap everything.
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 Everything that's here.
Even your second page.
Second and third and everything.
Yes.
Okay.
And then
you got me worried. Okay.
Okay, and now go to the next page, select, because you want to organize everything, right?
Sure.
Okay, so let's just say organize, blah, 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 blah.
I got more still.
Yeah. Technically, you don't need too much on the home screen, because home screen is only for shortcuts.
Definitely.
Yeah. Okay, let's just say this is it. Okay, let's just do, keep going. And now, wow, you have so many. So he has 5 pages. Okay.
How about these?
No need. Okay. And now we are just going to be hold one of the app and just shake it. So hold one of the app and shake it and let go. And now if you look at your thing, is not organized. Hold on. It's not organized. Or maybe only one. Let's see. Now mine is organized already.
One page at a time.
Shake it. Hey, how come? Weird. Yeah. See, that's how you organize your page. So you just go select whatever you want. And then shake it. And then it will organize for you everything. Every line up. You see that? Everything line up. So right now it still has space. You just select whatever you want. And then shake it. And then they will organize everything.
Yeah, I think it did it already.
Yeah.
I just didn't realize.
Yeah, so this one organized as well too.
I see.
But remember, when you are on the home page is only for shortcuts. So you have to remember that app page is everything, even though the apps that you don't need. Home page is only the thing that you need the most. So everything that you have right now, you don't need everything. You don't need Audible. You don't need maybe you don't even need this. You don't need Amazon Prime. You don't need this service card. You don't need VIQ on your homepage because everything is already on your app page already. So you don't have to double it. So usually on the homepage, you want to have one page, most 2 pages, and that's it. And all your widgets, not apps, because you already have app page already. So in order to organize it, you want to, let's just say this page, you want to delete them, the page, and reorganize them one by one. That way it will be much easier because you don't need all this on the home page.
Correct.
Right? Because you already everything is on that app page already.
Correct.
Right?
Then you can just
yes.
follow what you need.
Yeah. So homepage is only for widgets or your most important stuff. You just put on there, like phone, WhatsApp, message, cameras, shortcuts to call my friends, things like that. And that's how you utilize the homepage.
I see.
Yeah. All right. So in order to organize, delete your homepage, you just squeeze and press delete, and then that's it.
Cool.
Right? So the most, we are guys, the most maybe 2 page, maybe 3 page, and that's it. You don't need 5 pages, 6 pages, because everything is on here.
I see.
Okay. So now let's go to your second question. So your second question is storage problem.
Storage, of course.
Okay.
Everyone's problem.
Yes. So if you go into my file, so you can see there's my file, right?
Yeah.
So when you go into my file, we're gonna go down there, we go to manage storage. Okay, we're gonna go to manage storage. So right at the top here, what do you see? Video, image, and how many? So if you look at your phone, 50 gig is video.
Videos, yeah.
For me, 13 gig is video. 2 gig is installation files, and 289 megabyte is image. So basically, your storage have problem is because mostly it's videos, not image. You just need maybe 17 gig worth of cloud storage for your image, but there's like almost 50 gigs for your video. So in order for your storage to fix it, you just need to find ways to upload these videos to somewhere for free.
Yes.
Then when you think about it, why don't we use YouTube as in free cloud storage? Because YouTube, when you think about it, is actually for free. They do not require to pay subscription to upload how many videos. They don't have that.
Yes.
If you have 50 gig, upload all 50 gig into YouTube. And then once you finish, you can delete them on your phone. Now you have 50 gig worth of space on your phone.
Yes.
It's because YouTube will maintain your quality. Let's just say if your video is 4K, it will maintain 4K. If your video is 8K, they will maintain 8K. So that's why most of the problem, like people have problems with their storage, is because they have videos problem.
Yes.
And a lot of them is just only videos.
It's just taking up way too much space.
So in order to just go into your YouTube and upload and private it, and that will already help you to maintain your video in your cloud for free, but you can delete on your phone.
Yes.
Does it make sense?
Of course. And that wouldn't, you wouldn't lose your YouTube.
You want to use your, and then you can create playlist. Playlist is equals to album, right? Like if you have gallery, you have album.
Yeah.
You want to organize them.
Yeah.
So playlist is basically this album.
Yes.
And then that's it. You can fix your storage problem, right? So let's just say I want to upload this, right? So I can upload this on my YouTube and then private it or public. No, not public, like unlisted. Yeah. So no one can see it, but only you can see it. But yet I'm not losing my videos.
Yes.
Right. So this is maybe your solution for your 50 gig of worth of stuff.
Wonderful.
Doesn't matter if you have iPhone. Doesn't matter you have like Samsung. Everybody have YouTube.
Wow,
just put it up and that's
amazing.
it. Yeah. So
perfect. I'll be doing that very soon then.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So I guess this is the questions. I think this is it for this video.
Yeah.
I hope this video helps you. Please subscribe and share this video. And I think we will have a couple more videos like this pretty soon. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye. Okay, Neono Messi.
Oh my God.